Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 9, Ledger and Posting of Standard 11 Commerce Subject Account. So today this is the sixth part of the chapter, and today we are going to see that subsidiary posting from the subsidiary of different type of goods. We are preparing three types of subsidiary where very first subsidiary is a simple subsidiary, second is a different type of goods subsidiary, and third one is a goods as well as different expensive of the subsidiary book. So today we are going to see the different type of goods and subsidiary book and from that posting, and here is the sum number 5. Let's start illustration number 5. From the following transaction of Amir Garment, prepare a polymer sales book and post them in a respective account in the ledger. So here we have to prepare the polymer sales book. So here we already prepared the sales book. In that the column are given to us here, that the cotton pant, then there is a jeans pant and terry cotton pant. Three columns supposed to be there in the subsidiary book, and that the polymer subsidiary book is prepared here, and the column is a cotton pant, jeans pant and terry cotton pant. So this is the subsidiary book, and we have already prepared the account also. So these are the ledger of the Amir Garment. So very first transaction is a sold 50 cotton pant at rupees 300 each and 30 jeans pant at 400 each to Farhin Garment. Outward invoice number is a 121. So here very first transaction we are going to write down in a subsidiary book, that will be first Farhin Garment account, and outward invoice number is at 121. Here 50 into 300, so that will be 15,000 for the cotton pant, and then jeans pant it will be 30 into 400, so that will be 12,000, and there is no terry cotton pant, so total will be 27,000. Now let's see the next transaction. Sold 40 jeans pant at rupees 400 and 30 terry cotton pant at rupees 250 each to Janvi Fashion. Outward invoice number is a 122. So here in the second transaction, the name is a Janvi Fashion account, and outward invoice number is a 122, and amount is a 400 into 40, so that will be 60,000, and for the terry cotton it is a 250 into 30, so that will be 7,500, and total of this will be 16,000 plus 7,500, 23,500. So that is the total. Now let's see the third transaction. Sold a 30 cotton pant of rupees 300 each, 50 jeans pant at 400 each, and 20 terry cotton pant at rupees 250 each to Pranav Readymade. Outward invoice number is a 123. So here third transaction is for Pranav Readymade account. And here outward invoice number is a 123. Here 30 cotton into 300, so that will be 9,000. Next is a 50 jeans at rupees 400, so that will be 20,000. And the third one is a 20 terry cotton at rupees 250, so that will be 5,000. And total of this will be 34,000. So we have prepared the polymer sales book. Now let's make the total of this. So total of 15 plus 9 will be 20. 44,000. 12 plus 16 plus 20 will be 48,000. And here 7 plus 7,500 plus 5,000, that will be 12,500. Next, the total of this will be 84,500. Here, total credit sales. So here we have prepared the subsidiary book. Now from the subsidiary book we are going to make the posting in a ledger. So before that let us try to see how many accounts supposed to be needed. So here very first account we need is a sales account that we already prepared, and here there is a column of subsidiary book. So sales account also must be the column that we already seen in a chapter subsidiary book. So here there is a column of sales account. Now let's see the another account we supposed to prepare is a Farhin garment account, that is also we have to prepare. The third one account we have to prepare is a Janvi fashion account, that also prepared, and fourth one is a Pranav ready-made account. So these four account is needed to post them in a ledger that we already prepared. Now let's start the posting. So here for the sales, total of the sales, here we are going to credit the sales account, that sales account must be credited. So on the credit side of sales account we are going to write down on the last date, on the 3rd, to sundry debtors account. And here as per the sales book. And total of cotton pant will be 24,000, and total of jeans pant will be 48,000, and the total of terry cotton will be 84,500. Total of terry cotton will be 12,500. And total will be 84,500. So that's supposed to be written. The total of the cotton pant we supposed to write in a cotton pant, jeans pant in a jeans pant column, terry cotton in a terry cotton column, and total we are going to write in a total amount column. So this is how we supposed to make the credit entry of the subsidiary book. Now let's see the debit entry. We are going to debit all the debtors account. In that, very first is a Farhin garment account. So on the debit side of Farhin garment account, the sales is on the first date. So we are going to write down the first to sales account. And first thing as per sales book. And here very first thing is a cotton pant. And the total of cotton pant of Farhin account is a 15,000. And here again we are going to write down to sales account. And as per sales book. And now it is a jeans pant. And that will be 12,000. Again, the second debtors is a Janvi fashion account, and the date is the 2nd. So that we are going to write down to sales account as per sales book. And there is a jeans pant. And the amount of the jeans pant in a Janvi fashion is a 16,000. Now, the next is a terry cotton to sales account as per sales book. that is a terry cotton pant. And the amount is a 7,500. So for that. Now let's see the third debtors, that is a Pranav ready-made. So on the debit side of Pranav ready-made, we are going to write down date number 3 and here to sales account as per sales book. And very first thing is a cotton pant, and it is of rupees 9,000. Next is again third date to sales account as per sales book. And the second one is a jeans pant, and the amount of jeans pant is a 20,000. And the third one is to sales account as per sales book, and that is a terry cotton pant. And the amount is a 5,000. So this is how we supposed to post in a ledger from the Polymer subsidiary book. Students, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.